for today's video, I will show you, I'm going to fix our windshield crack. First, I'm gonna wipe it with the alcohol wipes. And get all the debris from the inside. I'm wiping it with a clean paper towel. Put that in. There. Pulling this off. There you go. Careful. This in.
You can just set that up on the hood, right?
Put resin inside. Hi guys. So I put this one in, and I put the resin inside already. So I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off and then put it back in, and I'm gonna lower it down to this part. I will show you. So it's 10 minutes and I take it out and put it back in, and I put it in this second notch, and I have to wait for 20 minutes. Then I'll have to remove it again. So it's been 20 minutes guys, so I'm gonna pull this out. And take out this whole thing. You know. So I'm scraping the resin off now to see the difference. So guys, I'm done, and this is the final result. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Still like a little bit of crack in it. It's just loosen the crack a little bit, but I'm okay with it. Thanks for watching.